Hello peeps, welcome back to my channel. Today's video we're going to be reviewing the Profusion Spectrum Palette. The Spectrum Palette comes with 10 eyeshadow shades, and let's see what the Profusion Spectrum Palette does. This is like a really bright palette. Like, I love it. I've been in the neutral shade zone for probably about a minute now, and I really like it. So as far as, you know, wearing neutral shadows, so this is what the palette looks like. Oh my gosh, look at those gorgeous bright colors. Super excited. It actually has like some metallics in there. Oh, and I'm really ready to use the yellow. I just want to do something bright and colorful. So how was y'all Christmas? My Christmas was great, you guys. So I think I'm going to start out with amber. Instead of it saying amber, it's like amber and beet. I'm going to use those two colors. Okay, perfect on the blending site. But I like the fact that, you know, it looks good. It's already showing up. Onto the skin, it looks so good like that. But I'm noticing some little patches in some area. Like, literally, I'm having to really like blending up. But this color is really, really gorgeous. I'm using amber, and I'm also using the shade beet. So they're working well. That's where it's transition color. Looks really, really good. Now I'm gonna go in my palette because they don't have like a I'm gonna go in with my palette. I'm gonna take the black out of it. Ooh, those two colors are gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Definitely is doing it up for my palette, so make sure y'all check out my palette down below, and other products from my line. So I'm just taking beet and amber, and I'm going to be reapplying those two shades and kind of like blending. Alrighty. Now I am going to, I know I look cray. I am going to conceal. I'm going to cut the crease. The crease is now done. Yes, crease. I don't know what shade I want to go in. Oh my gosh. I think I'm going to use a little bit of Peacock, this blue, and then I'm going to use a little bit of Lucky, and then I'm going to use a little bit of Rain. Yes. See, right now, those two neutral shades Yes, ma'am. But the only thing I am noticing about the palette is a lot of fun. So I think the first shade I'm going to take is Peacock. I think I'm going to need a little bit more than that. Ooh, it does apply onto the lid very, very smooth, and also it looks great. But like, it just looks great and it's very pigmented. Profusion is really stepping up their game. So the next shade I am going to go in is Lucky. It's like a nice pretty green. Oh my god, those shades are gorgeous. Oh, those shades. Oh my god, it's so precious. Okay, I think I'm done. I don't want to ruin the look because it's pretty as it is, y'all. Like, this palette is dope though. Like, the colors stand alone by itself, and either. I'm gonna go in with the Morphe. This is their eyeliner and Star Laser. Okay guys, so with the Profusion palette, this is a Profusion Spectrum palette with the Spectrum palette, you guys. I really love the colors. The eyeshadows fit well. It looks amazing onto the skin. Perfect 10 color palette. These palettes definitely can actually fit in a traveling case if you guys are planning on going anywhere. Hopefully 2021 we can open up and, you know, do a lot more than what we was able to do this time around last year. But yeah, I really like the palette itself. It looks amazing. It looks very, very high end, and each colors like really stand out. But the neutral colors are like my favorite because I am a neutral girl. But the shades, let's see, I believe it's the shades Peacock and Lucky and Rain. I did apply onto the lid, and it looks amazing, and it's very, very affordable, you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Give this video a big thumbs up. Let me know what you guys thought about it in the comment section below. Do you guys think that this is a great palette? Like, would you purchase this palette? And I gotta go, and I'll chat with you soon.